Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this one, we're actually going to re-season my griddle top surface that I just had sandblasted. Before, it used to look like this. Now it looks like this. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and throw some oil on there and get it seasoned up. Okay, so before we start this video, I do want to show you our hard cover that we manufacture here in the United States. It's what's hanging on the back of the griddle right now, the wood handle. And we actually just launched them on Amazon, so I'll put a link down in the description so you can check them out. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to fire this thing up, let it get hot, and I'm going to throw some oil on it. Okay, so real quick, I do want to mention the time before we get started here. It is 12:33 actually, and we'll probably let it run for about 45 minutes or so, and we'll keep adding oil as it burns off. Okay, so the griddle's been on for a few minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil now and spread it around. So yeah, you will start to see some smoke coming off the top of the griddle. That's okay, that's just the oil burning off. Once it stops smoking, then go ahead and add more oil to it. And you can see we're starting to get a little bit of browning on the top, and we're looking good so far. And something you want to do too is actually like rub the oil into the griddle top surface like this. Okay, so the time is now 1 o'clock, and this is how we're looking so far. I added some more oil right before I picked up the camera. Alright guys, we're back. It is now 1:29, so it's been on for almost an hour now. And you can see we're starting to get that nice dark color on the surface. That's what you want. And I'll probably add one more coat of oil, let it burn off, and then probably throw some bacon on there. So yeah, I just want to show you guys how I season my Blackstone griddle tops. As I said in the beginning of the video, we do manufacture hard covers for these things, so make sure you check them out. I'll put a link down in the video description, and we'll see you in the next video.